Hello Motu, why are you crying?
Patlu, I am crying because I am very hungry and I want to eat my favorite dish.
So Motu, go and eat your favorite dish.
Patlu, I cannot eat my favorite dish. Why you cannot eat your favorite dish? Patlu, I don't have money.
So what is the problem, Motu? You can take to me. I'm your friend, and also we can have your favorite dish together.
Oh Patlu, you are my favorite friend. Let's go and have samosa. Let's go and have samosa, Patlu. You are my favorite friend. You are my favorite best friend.
No, it's okay, Motu. Let's go and have samosa with from Samosa Wale Bhaiya. Subscribe, like and share. Bye Motu. Bye Patlu.